PC for free here with the unboxing of the Flip Video Ultra HD. I'd like to say a big thank you to Flip for sending this out to me to review. And without further ado, let's have a quick look around the box and then crack it open. It's got nice contoured images all around. Just break these tabs. Just gonna slide out this. Really nice packaging. Here we have the flip itself. Just put that to the side for a second. Delving further in, we have a nice user guide and some safety instructions. Really nice colourful user guide. Limited warranty. And then finally we have the battery, a carry case, which is a very nice inclusion, and a strap. So just going to show you everything we get. And then the manuals, obviously. It's PC for free. Please stay around. We're going to have some video samples as well as a review of this Ultra HD. And I'd like to say thanks to Flip again, and thank you for watching.